What's up, YouTube?
Hey everyone.
Vitor, what are we talking about today?
Today we're going to be talking about one of the most common biases that we experience, confirmation bias.
Have you ever wondered why some of your friends are just so stubborn and they never change their minds, even when truth is staring at them right in the face?
But is it their fault or are our brains playing tricks on us again?
Comment below if you've ever tried to help someone who just refused to change their point of view.
Let's explore it further and see if there's a better way to nudge people to be a little bit more understanding.
Let's dive right in.
We're sure that at some point in your life, you've gotten into an argument with a friend or a parent over something that you knew you were 100% right on. Maybe it's their turn to take out the trash, but they insist that you're wrong and that you do it. It's dark out and you don't want to walk all the way out to the garbage bin, especially when you know you did it last. Like a lawyer in court, you carefully go through your points and remind them that Tuesday is their day to take out the trash. And even bring up the chore calendar with the rules clearly laid out for them to read. Despite all of your facts, they come up with a million excuses of why they can't or won't do it, leading to nothing getting done and frustration for all. Why is it so hard to get people to admit to being wrong or to change their minds? Even when you present them with all the logic and facts in the world. Well, you guessed it. Confirmation bias may be the culprit here.
Confirmation bias is the tendency for humans to favor information that confirms the way we think and the beliefs that we hold dear. We tend to look for information that confirms our ideas and avoid evidence that rejects and goes against our point of view. What's worse is that the more emotional we get, or the stronger our feelings are towards a particular belief, the stronger the effect of the bias is, which causes us to hold on even tighter to our point of view. You can see how this can quickly get out of hand, and also why it's so hard to convince people to change their opinions. But that's not all. Confirmation bias doesn't only cause us to ignore information that challenges our beliefs, it also affects our memory. Yeah, you heard that right. Even your memories are biased. Studies have shown that we selectively store and recall memories that confirm our current beliefs. But why do we do this? Scientists theorize that we use biases like these as a form of mental shortcuts to process and efficiently store more information. Our minds also use confirmation bias as a way to protect our self-esteem. We feel more confident about our decisions when we have information that supports our beliefs. So we actively seek it out, but in the process move away from objectivity.
So how does this apply to UX? Biases are everywhere, and it's our job as UXers to understand and navigate through them. Our biases rear their tricky heads most often when we conduct research. A large part of the UX and design thinking process involves testing and conducting user research to uncover patterns of behavior that either validate or invalidate our initial assumptions. The key here is testing. Sometimes, instead of looking at the testing phase as a scientific experiment, we go out to try and prove that our ideas or designs are correct. We selectively collect data from our studies, whether that's user feedback, metrics, statistics, that confirm what we initially thought. If we allow this to happen, we're completely missing the point of conducting user research in the first place. We should be looking for hidden truths that help us create wonderful user experiences, and not to simply support our pre-existing beliefs.
Remember, it's your job as a UXer to be the voice for the user. You should advocate for their needs to create intuitive and delightful experiences.
Don't worry, we know you got this. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with all things UX research and design.
Now go out there and solve some people puzzles.